In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Roblox on your PC. So to start with, you just come down here to the search bar on your Windows. So you can just search for Microsoft Store. And you can see it over here. You can just click. And while in Microsoft Store, you can just come over and search for Roblox directly over here and hit on enter. You'll be able to see it comes up. This is Roblox, so you can just go ahead and click on get, and you can just go ahead, get it installed, and you can start using it. All right, you can see it over here. It is already installed. You can click to open it and start using your Roblox. So you can create an account or sign in with an existing account to start enjoying your Roblox. If you find this helpful, please leave a like.